Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. So your girl about to make some spaghetti. Tomato, garlic, and onion sauce. We're gonna use some of this. I don't think I'm gonna need two, but last time, and then that was a meat. I think she only got two. Add some tomatoes, tomato sauce. Where's the paste? Tomato sauce. We're gonna add some diced tomatoes. We'll add some diced tomatoes in there, along with this. What else? Some diced tomatoes. I think that's gonna be good. I think I'm just gonna need one diced tomato. Let's see, and here's the spaghetti noodles. We use this brand. I just need one, but I'm gonna take out two just in case. Trying to get out my seasonings. We're gonna use some. So far, the spaghetti come along so well. Just gonna prop you right there. We're gonna put in here. You finished? Come here.
I finished.
Okay, can you dump your plate, please?
Mommy, it's spaghetti.
Almost. Almost.
It's spaghetti time.
Not yet. I'll let you know when. I'm working on it.
There's spaghetti right here.
Yeah, that's no good. That's some ones that didn't. They didn't separate, so I don't keep them. Go ahead, just dump it in there. It's trash stuff right there. Just dump, dump, dump. You don't want to dump? Okay, you go do your stuff. Do it yourself. Dump and be done with it. Dump and be done with it. Dump and be done with it. Dump and be done with it.
Stop.
Hey, oh, I can dance. You're not gonna tell me I can't dance. That's being a
Now you
bully.
can't.
That's being a bully, and you're not gonna bully me.
No, yes,
No, you're not.
Only do this. Only do this.
No, that's being a bully. You're not gonna bully me.
You're not about to dance.
All right, go on about your business.
No, you're not about to dance.
Stop screaming. I'm right here.
You're not about to dance. You're not about to dance. You're not about to dance.
All right, y'all. So the most part, the spaghetti is done. Stay tuned for the taste test, and I'll be there. Okay, so the food is done. So I made some leftover chicken wings and spaghetti. Y'all see it? I got some Parmesan on top. So scrumptious. It came out good. The kids loving it. I did a big old pot. Looking crazy, but y'all see me next time. We're gonna meet together.